Day 6 of Confidence Booster Challenge. And what I truly want you all to know is today's session, if you are able to take and internalize and start implementing not only for ourselves, but for everyone around us, we will be able to rise and shine and sparkle the treasure which every one of us have inside us. Do you guys know what has been the biggest confidence stealer? What I'm going to be sharing with you today is the one, and I call it as comparison. It's the biggest thief of the joy, and it is one of the biggest reason why we are not being able to achieve the confidence which we truly want for ourselves. Every one of us can be extremely happy, can be extremely joyful in our life, but you know what happens? मॉर्निंग 7 बजे उठ के हम लोग इंस्टाग्राम खोल लेते हैं, and then we start seeing the amazing pretty life of every single person around us, और like अरे यार मेरी लाइफ भी ऐसे है. We start filtering our own life based on seeing only a certain part of the lives of other people, right? How many of you agree? And we do not know that the time we spend on social media looking at someone else's life, subconsciously we kind of trigger a lot of emotions which actually wouldn't have happened if you wouldn't have gone and seen that particular post on Insta, social media, or whatever it is going to be for you. So from today, we're going to be understanding the fact that the biggest thief of my joy is my comparison with the life of someone else. Someone doing a holiday, are yaar, when I'm going to be earning the amount of money I want to, on the kind of money I would want, so that I can also make holidays like that. We see someone looking very fit, are yaar, when am I going to be having that kind of a body? How many of you saw that on the Rockstars today? Story of Rashmi. Rashmi, if you are there in the room, just give me yes in the chat. How many of you rockstars in the room? Rockstars in the room, just give me a smile in the chat. And if you saw the amazing transformation of Rashmi, which we shared, and some of it like, wow. And we actually read every single one of it like, oh my God. She says she has a kid of 17-year-old, and we all know when we look at her picture, she herself looks like a 17-year-old after seeing her transformation. For the people who are wondering, we'll share the transformation of Rashmi in the Telegram as well. We just had a motivation Tuesday today. Tuesday, what day is today? The motivation, yeah, Tuesday for our inner community of rock stars. Now, what I want you all to know is it's good for us to look at people. It's good for us to look at them and say, how I wish I was fitter, how I wish I was stronger, how I wish I had more money, how I wish I had more confidence, how I wish I had this. But the moment we do that, I want you all to please make a note of this. Every single time we look at someone and we compare, just make sure that you're not making yourself small in front of them. That's the only game. Because every single time you appreciate, you look at someone and looking at them is making you feel smaller about your own self. That's the only time you need to realize that this is the place where I've started getting into the mode of comparison, wherein I can actually be in a space of inspiration. From today, I want every single one of you to convert every single comparison of yours into inspiration. Comparison closes your door of growth. Inspiration opens your door of self-growth. How many of you understanding what I'm saying? Give me yes in the chat window. Give me yes in the chat window. Yesterday, my mom was comparing me to my Bhavi. That says she's so, and my reply was, stop comparing me to her. She deserves it. She works hard to achieve it. Wow, lovely, Karishma, lovely. That's a beautiful response. Now, what I want you to know is every single time we kind of compare ourselves, or we compare our kids or our loved ones with someone else, we make them feel smaller. And the energy of feeling smaller will always close our door to grow in that direction. We feel when we tell someone and we tell our own self कि उसके जैसा बनना है, उसके जैसा बनना है, उसके जैसा होना चाहिए, we should be like that, we will grow. No, internally the emotions are I'm lesser, I'm smaller. So what we do is we close our own doors to our own self-growth. With me, we close our own doors to our self-growth unknowingly. Now, let me give you all my own personal example. I will never leave any of the sessions without giving my own personal example and getting vulnerable here. In 2020, in the month of June, in the month of not June, rather in the month of March and April, I was going in my low in terms of, COVID had entered. I didn't know what had to be done. I didn't know how things are going to be working. I was thinking, do I need to go to my corporate career back? Because now the business will not strive at all. And I'm going to be very open in here. That's the time every single day when I used to get onto the social media and I used to see those ads or see my mentors or see my coaches doing amazing level as per the social media, I used to feel further small. How many of you in the room have felt that? Give me I in the chat window. When you look at the life of people on social media, we feel like they have everything and you are the one who's only kind of taking a hit in one way or the other. So I was someone who was low within. And when I used to look at people, I used to compare my life with them, look at them, what they're able to do. Mera kahan hoga? Look at me. Mera to itna experience bhi nahi hai, coaching bhi nahi pehle kara. And all of those kahanis used to pop up in my head of negative labeling, all of that, abundance me. Again, I always say during that time, if someone has to run a marathon with me in terms of the negative feelings, I will win. I'll make sure that no one can win. Now, here's what happened at that point in time. One of the things which I did to myself is, Shruti, till the time you're not able to manage your energies, till the time you're not able to manage your frequency, till the time you're not able to put yourself up and you keep looking at people, keep comparing and further keep drilling yourself down, you will only go down because this is a spiral. And this is what I did. I stopped using social media for good 1 to 2 months. For good 1 to 2 months, for me to rise higher, personally work on myself till the time I have the courage of not responding to that comparison and putting myself low. Today, what I want you all to do for yourself is, till the time you do not have that energy, till the time you do not have that particular, that power, that courage to be able to manage your emotions, I would say distance yourself. Distance yourself if you can. Move yourself a little away because you truly, truly do not deserve that comparison. The second part which I want you all to do is, every single time you compare, every single time someone compares you to someone else, or every single time you compare someone with someone else, ask yourself, am I comparing this to kind of put a spotlight to my weaknesses, or am I doing this comparison to bring out inspiration from that person or from that environment? A lot of difference between the two. When you drive inspiration, you get into the energy of action. When you derive jealousy, comparison, I'm lesser, you take yourself into the energy of inaction. How many of you are understanding? So I want every single one of you from today, if someone compares you with someone else, just the way Karishma pointed it out, you will appreciate that person. You will not start to prove ki are nahi, par uska to waisa hai, mera to aisa. No. If you think that person is doing extremely better, appreciate, because when you're going to be appreciate the person, you're also telling your subconscious mind that this is exactly what I want. This is exactly the value system. This is exactly the personality trait I also want inside my self. Instead of focusing on the people, start focusing on the trait which they have, because of which they have made it happen. Because when you appreciate the trait, you send a trigger to your own subconscious mind that this is exactly what I want. Write it down. What you appreciate appreciates. What you appreciate appreciates. Everyone who got to where they are had to begin where they were. Everyone got where they are had to begin from where they are. Similarly, if you have to get to some, to a place where you want to, you have to start from where you are right now. Let's stop comparing our chapter 1 with the chapter 10 of someone else. And as I told you yesterday, every master was one a disaster. So if you are someone who's disaster at something today, just know it for a fact, every single next step towards the failure, you're going to be moving to the next part of it. Every next step to the failure, you're going to be moving one step closer to the success. For the people asking questions in the chat window, just hang on. I'll share in the end. Aarti, if you're a part of Telegram, every single thing is shared already in the Telegram. If you're part of the Telegram, everything single thing is shared in the Telegram. Another part of it, which I want you all to write as an affirmation. What is going to be our affirmation for today? Today is my opportunity. Today is my opportunity to build the tomorrow I want. Every time you see a comparison oozing out of your own self, you would take an inspiration from it. You will pen down the trait which you want from it, and you will know it for a fact that today is my opportunity to build the tomorrow I want. I will not be negatively comparing. Instead, what I would do is I will pick the value which they have in them and I'll start implanting it inside my own self. Because truly, truly amazing for them. You know, sometimes when people do it to us, when they compare to us, and we get into the mode of, "Arey nahi, unka to aise, arey nahi, unka to waise, arey mera ye hai," what we are doing is we are unnecessarily explaining ourselves. Instead, I would say appreciate. De do unko. The moment you give to, you know, to people what they're asking you to do, you know, want them from you, the moment you give, वो जितने हथियार ऊपर होते हैं वो नीचे हो जाते हैं. People will come to poke you unknowingly. You give it to them. They say so and so is very good. You also say yes, they are very good. You don't have to cross that because they're comparing me to them. I'm not going to be appreciating them. Appreciate them. The other person will automatically stop comparing you. Powerful. I want you all to start try this out in your daily routine. When someone compares you, you also start appreciating the other person. I will tell you will know it for a fact. They'll stop comparing. यार इनको तो compare कर रहे थे कि इनको कुछ समझ आई, themselves are comparing. You will not take that. Instead, you will say, हाँ हाँ बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे भी इनसे सीखना है, and I will also do it for my own self. Now, another part is, which I want you to know is, which I want you to remember for yourself is that you may not be where you are today. You may not be where you are today, but you're also not where you were yesterday. You may not be where you are today, but you're also not where you were yesterday. And that's huge. That's huge. Most of the time, we are comparing ourselves with our future. With our future. We keep saying future self has to be this, future self has to be this. And when we look at the future, future looks like so huge. We look at someone's life who's probably having a 10-year of experience, 5-year experience, and we keep comparing their 8th chapter, their 9th chapter with our chapter 1, and we feel like, oh my God, I really need to have to climb a mountain. Now, if every single day you see life as you look at people like you have to climb a mountain, what you will happen? You will sit there. बहुत मुश्किल है, कल स्टार्ट करेंगे. Next day again you'll say आज शुरू करते हैं, then you'll say oh my God बहुत मुश्किल है, look at them, what all they're doing, I will not be able to do it, and you'll say अब कल start करेंगे. How many of you have experienced that happening to your own self? You keep looking at the mountain top and you don't take the next step. You keep looking at the mountain top, you don't take the next step. But I want you all to know, every single person you're seeing at the mountain top, they were also standing right there where you're standing today. Every single person you're seeing at the top was standing right where you're standing today. It's just that one step they took. And I want all of you to remember this for yourself, that you are not what you were yesterday. Every one of you in the room, you learned something from yesterday till today. And that's huge. And I want you all to start celebrating that hugeness, if that's a word, from now. So here's going to be a challenge for all of you for today. What's the challenge? The challenge is tonight, from now till the time we hit and finish this 21 days booster challenge, and you can continue it. I want every single day want you to write one thing at which you succeeded. I'm just saying one. I'm going to be making it very easy for you. Make it as 5. 5 things at which you have succeeded. When I was starting my journey, for good 60 days, I did this exercise every single day. Every single day, when I used to look at the mountain, I was like, oh my God, this is so tough. I feel that pain in my stomach, in my heart. I don't have the confidence. I just can't do this. This is not me. I've never done this before. I'll fail. And all of the chatter in my head. Still at night, I used to write 5 things at which I have succeeded. Now, the moment the word succeed comes, na, sabko lagta hai, pata nahi kaun sa pahad uthana tha. Nahi. Your success is going to be as simple as I woke up early in the morning. Your success could be as simple as I attended 21 days confidence booster challenge live. I gave myself that dose of motivation, that dose of tools, which I truly need to grow every single day. That's your success. I don't want all of you to look success as something which is very big, very beyond you. there is treasure in every single thing you do. So I could say, like, if I have to share for myself for today, I would say, I'm so proud of myself that I did an hour of exercise today. I'm so proud of myself that I sent, I took an interview and I have sent one, offer letter to someone when I'm really looking out for a rec to be closed in my company. I'm so, happy to have done my day 6, successfully completed my day 6 of confidence booster challenge. I could say I'm so amazed, great that I woke up on time. And of course, if I sleep on time, I'm going to be adding that as well for tomorrow's success. How many of you are agreeing? These are like small little things. I'm so happy that I'm able to drink my 3 liters of water. I'm so amazed that I conducted my team meeting in a way I absolutely wanted to conduct and on time and could give them some golden nuggets, which they're all implementing today. These are all our daily tasks, but you can always take out. You can say, I'm so happy that I spent time with my kids, or I read a book today, or I did a walk today. I want every single one of you to start celebrating those small things you do, because that's what is going to be building the mindset for the big things which are going to be coming on the way. With me? Yes, superb. So thank you so much for coming out here. Your challenge, you remember, every single day you're going to be writing your success. Your affirmation is today is my opportunity to build the tomorrow I want. Today is my opportunity to build the tomorrow I want. And the second part which I said is everyone who got to where they are started from where they were. Everyone who got where they are started from where they were. Now, what I want you all to do is, tomorrow is going to be a special session. Tomorrow is a special session. There are no recordings available for tomorrow's session. You need to come for the session live. How many of you are going to be meeting me live tomorrow? It is going to be a 90-minute session. It's going to be a 90-minute session. And if you guys feel 15 minutes mein maza aa jata, you can imagine 90 minutes mein kya hoga. I'm going to be giving you a lot. Come with pen and paper and open mind and one corner of your house or corner of your office, wherever it is. I want you all to come with 100% of your attention. I'm going to be giving you the vocabularies. I'm going to be giving you the mindset. I'm going to be giving you, I don't know, all I have. Even if you have attended a session of this before, come again, because what I can assure you is tomorrow is going to be a mind-boggling day for every one of you. Tomorrow is going to be a mind-boggling day for every single one of you. Now, what I want you all to do is to go to the Telegram group. Go to the Telegram group and share the affirmations and your takeaways. Some of the people are asking, can 5 p.m. tomorrow, 5 p.m. same time, 5 p.m. we're going to be meeting, and I'm just going to be giving you the link to register. This link has been copied in the chat window. That's the link to register. Telegram link also, I'm just going to be pasting it right away. I'm just going to be pasting the Telegram link as well. Just pasting the Telegram link as well. Here we go. Aarti, you were asking, please make a note. There's a Telegram group. Every single thing gets shared in this Telegram group. Now, please note, tomorrow is a live session. Post that, we're going to be having recorded sessions of 120 for this 21 Confidence Booster Challenge. Come with a pen and paper and 100% of your attention tomorrow. And I can assure you, you're going to be loving what's coming your way. Yes. Superb. So can every single one of you take out your mobile right now? Can you all take out your mobile right now? For all the ones who have your mobile, just take out your mobile right now. Take out your mobile right now. Take out your mobile right now and open the alarm. Alarm wala application kholo. And 4:45 ka alarm lagao. 4:45 p.m. ka kal ka alarm lagao. Put an alarm and call that alarm name as My Dose of Power. Put the alarm name as My Dose of Power. That's what it is going to be tomorrow for every single one of you. Put the alarm, and once you have put the alarm, just give me done in the chat window. Let's see how many of you all put the alarm. 4:45 p.m. alarm, my dose of power. My dose of power, and I can assure you that's going to be true dose of power for every one of you. Awesome, Dia, Simani, Deo, Minakshi, all of you guys. Swara, I did the very first day. That's so smart now to have the alarm. That's exactly, you can see, that's what I do. If I have a session which is going to be a recurring one, I have my alarms all set so that I'm not dependent on my own mindset. I'm always dependent on system. And the rock stars and the gold stars in the room would know that one thing we should be always say is people fail. Systems do not fail. Put yourself so aligned to a system. You don't have to utilize your head, but system makes you move around it. Yes, superb. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I'm going to be making, yeah, people fail, systems do not fail. I want every single one of you to share with me in the Telegram group your affirmations, which you have made a note of, and your takeaways. The Telegram is open. Along with that, go to the social media, Instagram. Some of you guys are doing such an amazing, amazing job, really an amazing job. Like, Devika, Anita, Minakshi, Sunita, and so many of you guys, Instagrams, Srujal, you guys are putting my pictures, tagging. I'm also seeing that how creative you can get in terms of the way you're doing. Please make sure do that. Tomorrow, we will also be announcing the winner of first week. We're going to be having a week winner. Tomorrow, we're going to be announcing the winner of first week. So you need to stay till the end for you to know that whether you're the winner of the first week. And then from tomorrow, I'm going to starting the contest for the second winner. Yes, super. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. For the ones who are not able to make it, just go and watch the recordings finish, make notes, share in the social media, on the Instagram, Facebook group, and on YouTube. We're watching all the mediums to see where you guys are sharing. Become creative. Allow people to learn from your notes. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for your lovely time here. I'm excited to see you all tomorrow. You take good care of yours. I love you guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. I'm just going to be pasting the link again. Some of you are asking the link. This is the Telegram group. We will paste the link for the session again.